In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chat feature to your Wix website, making it more interactive and responsive for your visitors. Let's dive into the process, step by step, and get your site ready for real-time conversations. First, you'll need to open your Wix site in the editor. This is your creative workspace where all the magic happens. If you're new to Wix, don't worry. The interface is quite user-friendly. Once you're in the editor, you can see a variety of options on the left-hand side. What we are particularly interested in today is the ability to add new features. So go ahead and click on the Add Apps option from this left-hand menu. This is where you can find a range of applications that can enhance your website's functionality. After you click Add Apps, you'll see a search bar. Type in Wix Chat and let the system bring up the search results. Wix Chat is a powerful tool that allows easy communication between you and your website visitors, thus improving customer engagement and support. Once you find it in the results list, select Wix Chat. The installation process is straightforward. You simply need to click on Add to Site, and Wix will take care of the rest, seamlessly integrating the chat feature into your website. Once the app has been successfully added, you should notice a small chat icon appearing on your site. This icon is where your visitors will interact with you or your team. Click on this new chat icon and you'll be presented with several options, the most important of which is Settings. This is your opportunity to really make the chat window your own. You can customize its appearance to match the look and feel of your website, ensuring a cohesive and professional aesthetic. Additionally, this is where you can craft a welcoming greeting message. A friendly and engaging greeting can make all the difference in encouraging your visitors to start a conversation with you. Also, make sure to configure where exactly the chat window will appear on your site, so it's easily accessible and intuitive for visitors to find and use. Once you've tailored the chat settings to suit your style and needs, it's time to make these changes permanent. Look towards the top right of your editor, where you'll find the Publish button. By clicking this, you're going to push all these new features live to your website. This is an exciting step, as it means your site is now equipped to offer immediate communication, enhancing the overall experience for everyone who visits. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a chat feature to your Wix site, providing a valuable tool for real-time interaction with your audience. Keep an eye on your new chat feature in action and see how it helps in engaging with your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.